The network appeared press renderings of the budget smartphone Samsung Galaxy A41. Samsung continues to actively develop the Galaxy A line of the devices. Last year, the company showed the Galaxy A51 and Galaxy A71 smartphones, and now it plans to release a new low-cost model. The alleged press renderings of the Galaxy A41 were published by a reputable insider on Leaks, revealing the design of the upcoming unannounced gadget. The smallest representative of the Samsung Galaxy A line will become larger. Galaxy A41 will grow a little. Smartphone Samsung Galaxy A40 stood out among its counterparts' dimensions, thanks to the screen with a diagonal of 5.9 inches. It was more compact than other models of the line, and instead more compact than many smartphones. In the newly leaked images, a U-shaped neckline under the front camera is clearly visible. The back cover of the Galaxy A41 will be made of plastic. On the back of the device, 3 main camera sensors with a maximum resolution of 48 megapixels, presumably the Samsung GM1 sensor, as well as a flash, will be placed at once. There is no fingerprint scanner on the renders, which indicates its possible integration with the display. In the predecessor of the Galaxy A40, it was located on the back. Unfortunately, the Galaxy A41, judging by new data, will still become larger, although not significantly. How much is still unclear. The source says it expects a screen diagonal of 6 to 6.1 inches. The dimensions will be approximately 150 by 70 by 8.9 mm. For comparison, the Galaxy A40 is 144.4 by 69.2 by 7.9 mm. According to past leaks, the smartphone can get a 6 or 6.1 inches screen, an Helio P65 platform, 4 GB of RAM, a 3500 mAh battery with a maximum charging power of 15 watts, with 64 128 GB of internal flash memory. The presentation of new items may take place in March, along with the Galaxy A31. Full details and prices of the affordable smartphone Samsung Galaxy A41 are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Bye bye.